Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 17 June 2020 and in this session we are going to discuss and analyze the current affairs of 17 June. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze the current affairs of today's session. So proceed. This was our previous day questions. First question was on which day Green Mizoram Day is observed? June 11, June 10, June 5, June 9. The correct answer here is option A, June 11. On June 11, Green Mizoram Day is observed. Okay. The state government has been observing this day since June 11, 1999. The objective of the day is to maintain state diversity, flora and fauna. Okay. Our next question was who launched Arogya Path web portal? CSIR, DRTO, AIMS, ICMR. The correct answer here is option A, CSIR. CSIR recently launched Arogya Path web portal. Okay. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research on June 12 launched Arogya Path app. It will provide the real-time availability of the critical healthcare supply for manufacturer, supplier and customer. Okay, the headquarters of the CSIR is in New Delhi. In New Delhi we found the headquarters of the CSIR and the Director General of the CSIR is Dr. Shekhar Mandi. Okay, so proceed towards today's first question. International Day of Family Remittance is observed on June 12, June 13, June 14, June 16. The correct answer here is 16 June. On 16 June, we observed International Day of Family Remittance. Okay, the day is recognized the contribution of over 200 million migrant workers and 800 million family members. Okay, the theme of the 2020 is building resilience in time of crisis. Building resilience in times of crisis. Okay, next question. Which bank introduced Insta Flexi Case for salary account customers? Option A, SBI, ICICI, PNB, HDFC. The correct answer here is option B, ICICI Bank recently introduced Insta Flexi Case salary account customer. Here, ICICI Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India is the abbreviation of ICICI. Okay, ICICI Bank is established in 1994. Okay, and headquarters is in Mumbai. And MD and CEO of ICICI is Sandeep Bakshi. Okay, and the Insta Flexi Case is to provide online overdraft salary account of the customer. Okay, next question. Recently Indian Gas Exchange IGX is launched by Narendra Modi, Dharmendra Pradhan, Nitin Gadkari, none of these. The correct answer here is Dharmendra Pradhan. Okay, Dharmendra Pradhan launched IGX. It is the first nationwide online delivery based gas trading platform. Okay, Union Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister Dharmendra Pradhan launched IGX. Okay, Indian Gas Exchange. Next question. Who launched Suraksha Salary Account for MSME? Paytm, Airtel Payment Bank, PhonePe, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Airtel Payment Bank. Recently, Airtel Payment Bank launched Suraksha Salary Account for MSME. Okay. MSME, micro, small and medium enterprises. The Airtel Payment Bank headquarters is in New Delhi. Headquarters of the Airtel Payment Bank is in New Delhi, and the MD and CEO of the Airtel Payment Bank is Anubrata Biswas. Anubrata Biswas is the MD and CEO of Airtel Payment Bank. I hope you got the data. Next question. Quality Engineered Culinary Cup 2020 is won by Angad Singh Rana, Rajiv Sharma, Anil Mittal, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Angad Singh Rana. Okay, Angad Singh Rana has won the Quality Engineered Culinary Cup 2020. This award is announced by cricket legend and the Chennai Super King coach Stephen Fleming announced this award. Okay, and it is held in New Zealand. The quality enjoyed culinary cough is held in New Zealand. The Prime Minister of the New Zealand is Jacinda Ardern, and the capital is Wellington. Capital of the New Zealand is Wellington. Next question. Who launched multi-location claim settlement facility? RBI, EPFO, ADB, none of these. The correct answer here is EPFO. Okay, option B is the correct here. Employees Provident Fund Organization recently launched multi-location claim settlement facilities. Next question. Folk singer Hira Singh Rana passed away. He belongs to which state? Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh. The correct answer here is Uttarakhand. Okay, option A is correct here, Uttarakhand. Folk singer Hira Singh Rana passed away. He belongs to Uttarakhand. Okay, he was born in 1942 and he is a very folk singer of Uttarakhand. And the capital of the Uttarakhand is, winter capital is Dehradun and summer capital is Gadsden. Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat. Trivendra Singh Rawat is the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, and Baby Rani Maurya is the Governor of Uttarakhand. Next question. Who becomes first observant Sikh to graduate from US Military Academy? Sita Narang, Anmol Narang, Rupa Singh, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Anmol Narang. Anmol Narang became first observant Sikh to graduate from US Military Academy, and he made history from after graduate from US Military Academy. You can see the image of Anmol Narang here. Okay. Next question. Who launched the feedback call center on public grievance? Who launched the feedback call center on public grievance? Narendra Singh Tomar, Dr. Jitendra Singh, Narendra Modi, none of these. The correct answer here is Dr. Jitendra Singh. Sorry, Dr. Jitendra Singh is correct here. Okay, our Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh launched the feedback call center on public grievance. This center would be operate in 14 languages. This center would be operate in 14 regional language. Next question. This is our last question of our today's session. Jarmi ban device is launched by G. Kishan Reddy, Hardeep Singh Puri, Pratap Sarangi. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is G. Kishan Reddy. G. Kishan Reddy. A device named Jarmi ban has been launched by Union Minister of State for Home Affairs is G. Kishan Reddy. The recently launched this device has capability of killing 99.9% of surface and air microbes. Hence, it is useful in quarantine center. Recently, due to COVID-19 pandemic, it is very much helpful device. Okay. This is our question of the day. You have to answer it in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Please try to answer in our comment box. Thereby we can discuss this answer in our next session. First question is, flood warming system iFlows launched in which city? Second question is, Shambhu S. Kumaran appointed India's next ambassador to which country? Okay. Thank you for watching this. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And after subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thereby you can got the notification very fast. Thank you.